Alright, ladies and gents, welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Today we need to go and look back into the price of Bittensor TAO. Now, TAO luckily has been one of the coins over the past, few months that has been pretty stable in its price, right? It kind of has been in between this 0236 and 0382, so between around 280 to 400-ish dollars, right? We've maintained this price level for a while, and even after this previous dip, we've had a good bounce over the past few days, right? It went all the way down to around 260. We're back above $300. Eyes on the prize is going to be around 286 to be holding. There's actually a new subnet that's going to allow all of you as a community to be able to bet on the price of candles. And that's going to be subnet 31, which is actually candles. Now, you can go and you can check out the leaderboard. I'll get into all that stuff in a second. Basically, what they've done is they've built a subnet that allows users to come in, deposit TAO or deposit subnet alpha tokens, make a public pool, and then as a community, you guys can vote whether or not the price of the candle is going to go up or down, right? So it's kind of a prediction. So it's basically a prediction market specifically for Bittensor. And what you're going to see here is 70% of the pool goes to the winners or the winners pool. And then winners get paid out around 90 to 110% of the entry fees, right, directly to the pool winners. Okay, here's a little video of what a pool looks like, and they actually had the soft launch of their platform, which is live now, and it's going to be under a lot of development, guys, so it's going to get even better over time for all of you guys who wanted another way to trade TAO or even trade these subnet tokens, right? So the subnet token is actually the currency in the pool, so you can go and you can swap TAO for SN31. If you don't know how to do that, you can go onto things like TAO stats and you can swap there, connect your wallet there, and you'll be able to see the price of candles versus TAO. Still pretty cheap right now considering it's a brand new subnet. They're basically a gamified prediction market, right? So I'm sure a lot of you guys probably use PolyMarket, and PolyMarket has absolutely blown up over this past cycle, guys. And I think candles could be the same thing for TAO, and that's why we're trying to highlight it today, because if we could have gotten on stuff like PolyMarket pretty early, or had a way to invest into PolyMarket early, you guys would have been laughing, okay, regardless of whether or not the bull run is here or not. Now, when we come and we check out some of the team info, you can see all the team info here on subnetalpha.ai, and they've got a team that has a lot of experience, right? So BDs have been mining on Bittensor for the past few years. This operations manager here as well has been mining on Bittensor and involved in Bittensor for nearly 4 years now. You can go here and you can check out more. They've actually got quite a rich team, guys. So Candles actually earns revenue with a similar model to things like DraftKings or KingJewel. I'm sure a lot of you guys would know those two. And look, you've got the deposit flows of TAO deposited into the public pool. All deposits flow through community created pools, and then we explained the pool mechanics here a minute ago, guys, and they've got multiple revenue streams. Okay, so again, you've got the fees from the entries, you've got the community created pool fees, you've got memberships, which creates a recurring revenue stream. And when it comes to the protocol treasury usage, then marketing will grow the user base. You've got operations, maintaining and improving the platform, as we did just say, pretty early right now. And they're actually going to be doing alpha buybacks, so they're going to be supporting the token. They're going to be supporting the token economics and reducing sell pressure, which a lot of these subnets that I bring to you guys, they always do buybacks. These are the ones that I'm sort of interested in, right? Not ones that are going to dump on you guys. Okay, so it matters because you got revenue generation in every pool, alpha locking throughout deposits, multiple revenue streams, buyback mechanisms, and then alignment between miners, participants, and protocols. So you'll see all of the different predictions here, guys. So whether or not people think we're going to be going up or going down, you've got the confidence here on the side. And again, interval on the hourly as well, guys. So you're going to be betting on the hourly price of TAO, and again, you can go and join that right now. Candles will be expanding to all prediction markets soon, guys, so it's not just going to be the hourly candles. Because they're making community created pools, I mean, you can super niche down the same way that things like PolyMarket has, right? You guys can pretty much create predictions on anything if the community does so please. And that in turn is going to make it more decentralized and actually grow the user base even more. So candles is one that's on my Bittensor subnet list that I'm going to be looking at. Okay, so all of you guys, you can check out candles.tao, and maybe in a future date we can come back to this video and we can, we can start to bet on the price of TAO, maybe the price of some other coins, maybe the price of Bitcoin in the future as well, right? As an alternative to be trading. Okay, so that's just a quick one on candles. When it comes to Bittensor, again, eyes on the price is going to be 373 to be breaking before we can start to really tackle $400 again. I'll make a specific TAO price prediction in the next video. If you want that, you know what to do. Make sure you've liked the video and you've subscribed. Let me know what you want to see in the next TAO update, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.